Hi there, this is a quick video to show the quadcopter with a camera bolted to the front. It's a Boscam TR1, so it's essentially an FPV camera, but does take high def video onto micro SD. So it's very windy. I shouldn't have really flown it really. It's flying the same mission, here we go, flying the same mission that I flew the other day. So from the same point in time, from the same point, but it's got the cam on the front now. So there's a bit of jello because the camera is just literally on a foam pad stuck to the front of the quadcopter. It is on a little mount which has got the little rubber suspension lugs, but there's no active gimbal, and as I say, it was quite windy, so it's just reached its first waypoint and I'm sort of spinning it round. Camera's not making too bad a job of the light. Sun was very, very low because it was sort of about, I don't know what time it was, 6 o'clock, 6:15 UK time. So it's not done too bad a job of the exposure. It's not brilliant. I was hoping it would be a little bit more stable, but I say it's not on an active gimbal. The reason I wanted to take this video was to give myself an idea what the difference between a gimbal and no gimbal was going to be. So it's flying round its 4 waypoints. I think it's now at waypoint 2, and I'm kind of just letting it get on with its own thing and just using the yaw on the transmitter to sort of spin it round. Unfortunately, during landing, for some odd reason, I decided to point it straight into the sun, which wasn't possibly the best idea. You can see from the shadows that it's quite late in the evening, so the sun's quite low. The quadcopter's getting buffeted around quite a lot by the wind, and there is obviously, I have balanced the props, so I've got a prop balancer now and I've balanced the props, but there's obviously still some high frequency vibration which is causing a bit of jello on the image. I mean, this camera's not, it's a budget camera. It's really designed for FPV. It's got an integrated 200 milliwatt 5.8 gig transmitter, so I don't think it was really intended for proper aerial video. I'm not doing a bad job. I mean, really, you want a GoPro on a active gimbal, which might be sort of the next step. So now I think we're in descent, possibly. Yeah, so it's auto landing, getting banged around by the wind quite a bit. Does an excellent job at landing, far better than my attempt after I flew the mission. I flew it around a bit by myself, then got the low battery warning and panicked a little bit, put it down like a sack of potatoes. Yours truly. And on the deck. So that was the same circuit I flew the other night. So anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.